Alright everybody, so what we're going to do here today is we're going to set up a Zoom meeting. Let's go to Zoom. We'll go to my account first. And the first thing that we're going to have to do is we're going to have to create a meeting link. So let's go to schedule a meeting. We're going to name that Coach Prain's meeting. Come down here, make sure that we mute everybody before they come in. We're not going to pre-assign breakout rooms. We'll get to that in a little bit. And then we're going to hit the save button here. That save button is going to give us this Zoom link. So for the purposes of this video, I'm going to go ahead and open this video in a new tab. Okay. It's going to take just a minute. Alright, now we're connected into this video. So the next thing I'm going to demonstrate for you guys is just check out this chat box. We'll say hello everyone and welcome to the chat. Oop, gotta spell chat right. There's that chat box there. So you can close out of this chat box at any time just by hitting the chat button again. Then we're going to demonstrate this breakout room. Since it's just me, it's not going to be, of course there won't be anybody in this breakout room, but we're going to assign nobody into one breakout room, and we'll hit create. And as you can see, there's the breakout room right there. And you can rename it if you want to. You can say Breakout Room Alpha. Alright, and then we'll go ahead and just delete that so we can move forward. And then the final thing we're going to demonstrate is we're going to share this screen. So you'll come down here and it's going to come up with a bunch of different screens here. So we're going to just share our screen that we're on right now. Okay, so now that just shows us right now that we're actually in the Zoom meeting right now. In order to stop that, you'll hit stop share. Alright, and then that'll bring you back to here. Well, that's it right now for the Zoom meeting. Hopefully that is what everyone is looking for. So we're just going to go ahead and end this meeting for everybody. We'll close out of that and we'll come down here.